Hi, my name is Samir and I am from India. I am from the state of Maharashtra.
Hi, this is Mithali. I have come from Hyderabad, India.
My name is Bhatika, and before coming here, I was working with Ernst & Young.
I came across Mountbatten and they have a fantastic combination of learning plus to get the international experience to work with an American company.
Working internationally in an international organization, that was the major attraction, that point that made me come here.
This program gives me the opportunity to work in US for my client on site, and it gives me the degree, one year course, MBA course in international business.
And that is what made me to attend this program. And then the conversation that I had with Joe Harvey and Fenthip during my interview just made me believe that this city is not going to disappoint me, and this program has surely enhanced my skills personally and professionally.
So this was a win-win for me. So I went ahead, and that's the most motivation factor for me.
Well, apart from the transferable skills and the international global exposure, I would say global confidence is something that I've got the most out of this program.
To join Mountbatten is like a dream come true for me, because it has given me the opportunity to work on my client side, working in an international global environment, and along with that I am having an MBA degree in international business. And
so when I'll go back to India, I will be a step ahead from the other employees, because I have the internal knowledge, I have the experience of working with an American team, so I understand the culture, I understand the work style. So when I'll go back to India, I will definitely help my next employer to communicate in a better way with their American clients. That's what I hope to achieve from it.
I would say it's a great program to be on, because it just enhances your confidence, makes you aware about what's happening around, increases your knowledge, and then the most important thing, you make global connections, and that can give your career a real good push forward.
And personally also, I would say I have become more confident and pretty much independent, as we are living here independently, doing everything of our own and managing work life, personal life, academic life.
So I got that realistic insight how to deal with your actual clients. So that's the experience that I've got so far.
Now I think I can work with any company, I can go to any country, I can work with them. I do not have the hesitation no longer. And
if I look at myself 9 months back and what I am now, I would say I'm a totally different personality from what I was. Now I think I can work anywhere in this world. I can deal with all sort of personalities, like people belonging to different cultures, speaking different languages don't scare me anymore. I can deal with all sorts of scenarios now. The academic program is amazing. It's based on the simulations, case studies that literally force you to think out of the box, and obviously enhance your professional skills as well. And they literally help you to how to deal with different situations in the business.
I got a chance to learn from American teachers, and the classroom that I have, that is entirely filled with the people who are coming from across the globe. So I get to meet the international students, I get to meet their culture. About the academic program, I have completed the organizational behavior and leadership course, and that's a great way to understand the cultural differences and how to deal with the people who came into your team from different backgrounds or different nationalities. When they came together, it's a little bit difficult to get the team performance out of them. So I'm here, I'm learning the behavioral skills from this course, and I can actually implement that in my work experience right now with Morgan Stanley, because the team that I have, that is consists of European people, we have teammates from America, we have teammates from Middle East, we have teammates who are based out in India as well. So it's a global virtual team. So the course that I've had, so it gives a great insight to deal with all these nationalities.
And I think my course also helped me, because our first module was organization, behavior, and leadership. And there also we have learned a couple of things on in class, that how it works here, how we should enhance our leadership skill, and that we can see practically in our office. We can see our leader, how do they motivate other people to come up, to work good, to work in a team. So yeah, it is like both in book and at the same time practically.
You have guest lecturers and the teachers in the Mountbatten Institute. They are already working in the industry, and when they share their experiences with you, you definitely know this is the right place for you where you can learn.
New York is considered to be one of the best cities in the world. It has a diverse culture where the experience that you get living in New York is a no match to any other city. When you walk through the Wall Street, when you go through the financial district, you are between the best people in the world. So this gives you an immense pleasure and immense confidence that you will be a top-notch person once you complete this course.
Well, the accommodation was all taken care of by Mountbatten, and I would say it's a home away from home.
I would say like Newport is a very good area. I love Newport, and
there's a thought behind it. The accommodation is exactly in the center of it.
The living arrangement is really good. They have provided us with all the amenities that we need.
And it's very near to the local commutes. You can take the PATH train, you can take the subways immediately. Plus,
all the facilities are there, the apartments are good, the society, the Hudson River, and everything is very nearby. One of the best experience I had is to live with people from different countries. Like in my apartment, I have people from UK, China, Philippines.
Some of them are from UK, one of them is from Australia, and they're a fun bunch to be with.
You can understand how their cultures are, how you know, what is their kind of a sense of humor, and once you get along with them, you make international friends.
Yeah, you make a lot of friends for sure.
And it has enhanced my confidence that I can stay with anyone. I can share my apartment, I can make friendship with anyone.
And that's so far the best experience for me.
I never felt that I was away from home, and I never felt homesick because you're taken care of so well by Mountbatten, and it just feels like you're staying with the family, so it's really good.
So I would definitely recommend my friends and colleagues, and I'm sure they would love this, and they will definitely gonna enjoy and have a great year here, personally, professionally. And
I would say you should just give it a shot without even giving it a second thought, because it's gonna be worth it and you would not regret it at all.
It will make you an international person, and it will give you an immense confidence to achieve your career goals. So I will definitely recommend all the colleagues of mine or my friends of mine that they should come here to join the Mountbatten program, and they should learn, they should get this kind of international exposure.